What's good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna swap the TPMS off the stock wheels and onto the new wheels, and let's mount the new wheels up. So the suspension hasn't come here yet, but let's go ahead and just mount this up while I have the time. So I'm here at the tire shop. We're over here at Pilo's Tire at his new shop location. So this is episode 3, building my 2024 Nissan Z. Check out the wheels. LE37, top secret. Discontinued. Only a few sets left in the US. Check it out. Got the other wheel right there. And my wife's bringing the other 2 wheels. So we're going to sit here and wait for him, and then we'll do some content of him mounting it up and putting it on the Z. Let's see how this looks. So I already got the wheels unloaded. The Tesla right here. My wife brought the other 2 wheels. We're still waiting for him. Should be here any second now. I just can't wait to see what this looks like on here. But if you guys followed me on Instagram for like the past 10 years, I love a white and gold combo and gold wheels in general. So let's go ahead and pull this in the bay pretty soon. This is this new shop area. Yay! Cool spot. So this is how the stock suspension looks. I've never seen the Z platform up close. Always been a Honda guy, so it's cool to know everything I'm going to be swapping out of here. Let's go check out the front. Yep. Everything's going to change. Top arm, whole suspension right here. Yeah, it doesn't look that bad to work on. Check out the light nuts my boy gave me. Eee, rays. Fresh, dude. These are fresh. Alright guys, wheels are on, and yeah, it's looking like a beast. I love it. I love it. Top secret wheels, very rare. Supposed to be around 300 were made when they first dropped, so I managed to get my hands on them, put them on the Z, and dude, it looks so dope, so dope. So thank you guys for watching episode 3, building my Nissan Z. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out.